Number 1. Go to chats.openai.com and log in or register if you don't have an account. Number 2. Once you're logged in, type in the topic you want ChatGPT to generate for you, such as tips or strategies. Number 3. For this tutorial, we will generate 50 tips on how to make money online. Number 4. Copy the generated text by highlighting it and then right-clicking and selecting Copy. Number 5. Open Google Sheets or any other spreadsheet application you prefer to use. Number 6. Paste the text into a blank sheet. Number 7. Save the sheet and download it as a CSV file. Number 8. Go to canva.com and log in or sign up if you don't have an account. Number 9. Once you're logged in, select the Instagram post and search for ready-made templates according to your niche. Here I will choose tips, and then select the one you liked. Number 10. You can further customize any template according to you, just like I am doing here. Number 11. Now click on Apps on your left section and then select Bulk Create. Number 12. Now click on Upload CSV and select the file that we just downloaded and click on Open. Number 13. Then click on this text, then right-click on it and select Connect Data, then just click here. Number 14. Now click on Continue and finally click on Generate. Now all of your pages are generated at once. Congratulations! You have successfully created 50 social media posts in a matter of minutes using ChatGPT and Canva. And if you found this helpful, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash the like button. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.